Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how to extend your clock on iOS 26 or how to make your time bigger on iOS 26. So to do this is actually easy. All you need to do here is just press on the lock screen, okay? So you just press on it and then you are just going to tap on customize at the bottom of your screen. So on the right side of the box containing the time, you're just going to see a small icon, okay? You're just going to press and maintain on it and then go down, okay? As you are going down, you are going to notice that the time or the clock is just extending itself. So all you need to do is just go down and then you are going to notice that you have extended your clock or you have made the time to be more bigger. Okay, you can just decide to adjust it according to the size you want, and when you're done, all you need to do is tap on done at the top of your screen on the right, and then you are going to notice that you have extended your clock or you have made your time bigger.